Hey girls, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a very easy glitter design, so I hope you enjoy, and let's get straight into the video. What you're going to want to do first, which I didn't show on camera, is push back your cuticle with the cuticle pusher, remove the shine from the natural nail bed, glue on your tip, and shape the tip to the desired shape. And what you see me doing here is applying a very thin layer of the clear acrylic. That's just so when your client does come back to get a redesign, all you would need to do is file down to this clear acrylic, and you can go ahead and get started on your new design without having to remove anything else. And I'm going to be applying the clear acrylic to all the nails. Okay, so what we're going to do next is just grab our glitter acrylic, and this is from Nuni Torres. It's called Jam, and I'm just placing a medium-sized bead, and I'm just dispersing the glitter around the nail. You can lay it any way that you want and just spread the glitter out to cover up the whole nail, or if you like to just leave little spaces in between sporadically on the nail. And I'm going to be doing this to all the nails, and you want to apply a thin layer because you're going to be encapsulating it with a clear acrylic, so you don't want the nail to be bulky. So you just want to do a very thin layer. Make sure you clean up your side walls to keep that shape of the nail, and then just apply it anywhere else that you may think you want more glitter. And here I'm just patting that glitter down because like I mentioned, we want a very thin layer. And so I'm just going to keep patting it down. And again, I'm going to do this to all of the nails. So what you see me doing here is laying down another bead of acrylic, and as you can see, I didn't lay it close to the cuticle. I left some space, and what I'm doing is I'm gently pushing up towards the cuticle. You don't want to overflood the cuticle with the acrylic. And then I'm just again dispersing the glitter around the nail, and you want to clean up the side walls with your brush again just to keep that shape of the nail. And then again, make sure you pat it down and have a nice thin layer. Clean around the cuticle if you need to get that extra acrylic that may have overflow to the sides. now that we're done laying down our glitter acrylic, we're going to go ahead and encapsulate to protect the glitter from being filed away when it's time for filing. And I'm just going to place the bead down where the natural bed and the nail tip would meet. And I was actually having a little bit of trouble with the acrylic that day. It was a really hot day, so my acrylic was drying up really fast, but I made it work. So we're just going to encapsulate the whole nail. And so here I'm just putting a clear acrylic at the tip, and I'm just brushing that up towards the cuticle and patting down the side walls just to maintain my shape. All right, so what you're going to want to do also with the clear acrylic is build your apex. You don't need a thick apex because the nails are a bit on the shorter side. So, but you don't want your nails to be flat either. So what I did here was place a small bead right where the natural nail bed and the nail tip would meet. And then I just pushed it up again towards the cuticle because you don't want to overflood your cuticle. And then just make sure that you apply acrylic anywhere you think you need it. You do want an even application, and you do also want a little bit of thickness at the tip as well. They say about a credit card kind of thickness, and just make sure you brush your sidewalls again to maintain that shape. Okay, so now that we're done encapsulating all the nails, I did go ahead and file off a camera and shaped my nails and flushed the cuticle. I did go wash her hand. Yes, I know it's a fake hand, but I still went to go properly wash her hand, removed all the dust, and now we're just gonna go ahead and apply our gel top coat. And this is the moment that we all wait for, because I mean, look at that shine. once you're done applying your top coat, you're going to want to go ahead and cure in the lamp for 60 seconds. And if the top coat has a sticky layer, you're going to want to go ahead and remove that with the lamp-free alcohol wipe. Alright girls, so this is the final look and I absolutely love it. It's very simple. I love the glitter. I love the purple. If you like this, it is from Nuni Torres and it's called a Jam. Thank you for watching and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!